Something every parent needs to know before taking their kids out trick-or-treating for Halloween.
It has to do with how they behave once they've had all that candy. Health reporter Haley Hernandez is here with the story.
I hear this is a very stressful holiday for parents and kids, of course, because of tantrums. So it sounds funny if it's not your kid, right? But even pediatricians are weighing in on how to resolve the candy tantrums that you're sure to encounter tonight.
The scary monsters in goblin costumes disguising your kids this Halloween might just become a reality when they hit a sugar high.
They want more and they scream and they're on the floor and they want their next fix.
Dr. Sadia Jamal from Kelsey-Siebold Clinic in the Woodlands says the sugar high can heighten emotions of everyone in the house. Before you hit that, she says, cut them off.
Yes, first of all, take the candy away.
And get your game plan ready.
You know, we're going to do 1 piece a day, or we're going to do, 1 piece if you do this. You can use it as a reward if you want.
Once you've regained control, it's time to wind down.
Just do something soothing, warm bath, reading to them, calming them down, things like that would be a good idea.
So more of your game plan can include things like a buyback program. Lots of local children's dentists will pay your kids in return for their candy. A lot of times that candy goes to the troops. Plus, with upcoming holidays, you can tell the kids that you're saving the candy for crafts like a gingerbread house. Also, make sure your kids are not trick-or-treating on an empty stomach. They'll be more likely to gorge on candy that way, and then they'll be cranky, they'll be hungry.
Then
the recipe really wanting disaster.
That's the key to mine, is getting them to eat beforehand.
Yeah, and I'm sure they're excited, so they don't want
so it's hard to get them to sit down and eat dinner.
So we've been asking our question this morning, will your family go trick-or-treating? You guys say no.
What? Who was voting this morning?
The sarcastic
You know what
voters.
happened is
I love that.
we told them that they were wrong about the Texans poll last week, so now they're
You guys are just in a
getting back
negative mood.
I mean, it's not because it's Monday, right? I mean,
No.
people are...
It's the sarcastic voters. They wake up early and then everybody sort of evens it out by 7. Trust me, it's happening.
Exactly.
feel so
By tonight it'll be A-okay.
It's more candy for us, Haley. I see the
Well, you remember Amy's story.
Positive
Tell
spin
your
there.
children
You guys
that you're
stay
gonna go
home.
craft.
Exactly. We'll go out and get the candy for you.